We had a discussion. Good morning. First, good morning to you all. We had a discussion about a process state in the yesterday class. Briefly, I am going to repeat the thing. Then we are going to move with the new concept, that is a process control block. Process state ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ. Process state ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Process ಹುಟ್ಟುಕೊಂಡಾಗಿನಿಂದ, process create ಆದಾಗಿನಿಂದ ಯಾವ ಯಾವ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಒಳಗೆ process create ಆಗ್ತತಿ? When the program P1 when the program P1 got loaded on the memory, when the program P1 got loaded on the memory, when the program loaded onto the memory, the next moment it called as a process. That is, when it is loaded onto the memory, that is called as new state. New state. The function here to load the memory, to load into the memory, is used as admitted. By using the admitted, OS is going to put this P1 into the main memory. That is creation. So how you are going to write a new here? So new anta bandaga in this state, the process is created. The process is created. Simple statement. So new state, new is a state where the process being created or created. Have you got this one? Audible. It is audible to you people. Raise your hand. Raise your hand if it is audible. Well. So now you clear with the new state. When a process being created, that is called as a new state. So if this process needs mouse, keyboard, if this process needs mouse and keyboard, that will given to the P1 by the OS, that will given to the P1. Now P1 is ready for the execution. It will enter into the ready queue. If it is entered into the ready queue, that is known as ready state. I will write about ready here. So what I need to write here, ready is a state where the process will be waiting for CPU with all the requirements. Process having a resource will wait for CPU in this state. In this state, process having the resources will wait for the CPU. After this, a CPU, that is a scheduler. After this, here P1 is created. Here it is ready. In the state it is ready. P1 is ready with its resources. Then next, what I need to do now? I need to enter, or I need to put it in the run state. That is allocating to the CPU. Running state is nothing but the process will be in the CPU. That is P1. Here. From here to here, who is going to help for process, for running purpose? That is scheduler dispatcher. What I need to write here? Running again and the baribeku. New. Here the process is created. Here process having the resources going to wait. For what purpose? For the running purpose. When process is in the running purpose, what I need to write an explanation here. Running in the sense, the instructions of processes are going to be executed here. The processes, the instructions in process being executed. being executed. New in this process is created, ready. It's all waiting for a CPU with its resources. Next, instructions in the process being executed. Who helps? Who helps? Here. Who helps here? Scheduler dispatcher is going to help P1 to load into the CPU. Suppose if P1 wants user to press control. P1 ಗೆ user control press ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಬೇಕಾಯ್ತಿದೆ. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ರನ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ one instructions ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ P1 I want interaction from the user by pressing the control. So until user press the control, it won't execute. It won't execute in the sense it will be placed somewhere else. Where I need to place? It will be in the waiting state. Why it entered into the waiting state? It requires some IO events. After completion of the IO, if I press the control, the P1 will be moved to the ready state, not to the running state, because your interpreter what it did, where this P1, P2 is waiting for CPU. When it comes to the P1 comes to the waiting state, immediately P2 will be placed in the running state. So what I told, when one process is running inside the CPU, another process is not supposed to run. So if got interaction, I will control press ಮಾಡಿದೆ, it is not again ಅದೊಂದು instruction ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದಂತ input ಸಿಕ್ತು, it is ready now. Can it directly enter into the running process? No, because P2 is there. So again where it is going to move here, it will be enter into the ready state. After P2's completion, P1 will again go to the running state. After completion of all the executions, all the statement execution, it is going to terminate. Terminate is a state where the process is being ended. Have you clear with the process state diagram, my dears? Before going to the next topic, I will ask some question to you. That is the answer for the next topic. Suppose you are my college students. In our college student. How I am going to identify you? I don't know your face. And I am not remembering your face because I'm virtual to you people. I don't know Akash and face. I don't know someone Momin face. I don't know exactly. I don't know how he is going to look like. If someone comes, sir, I am Momin Kolar. Or someone comes, I am Sudan Raj sir. If someone comes and talk that I am your student sir, how I am going to identify? Yes, with the help of attributes. You are having an ID card, it having some attributes, that is your identification number, your name, your roll number, and your course and your year of the studying. Okay, if someone comes, BCom student comes and sit in the BCA class, it is look like a good, no, it is not worth to him. It is not causes anything here, but it is not worth to him because he cannot understand what is going on here, because he is a student of BCom third semester. If he admitted here in the BCA third semester, what he is going to understand? Yes, how we are going to understand? He is a BCom third, the uniform is changed, the identity number is changed. Okay, he is student, he is in the category of student, but is having a different kind of attributes. Yes, now come to the point. Here OS is there. Here P1, P2, P3, P4 are there. P1, P2, P3, P4 are there. OS want to allocate P1. OS want to allocate P1 or P4. How it is going to identify what it is going to be, or what it needs, what P1 needs, how it is going to understand. How I am going to understand that the student of BCA third semester need OS, operating system class? How? By framing some syllabus. That is also your attribute. You are the BCA third sem student. You need a OS class. How we are going to recognize? We are having a syllabus of third semester. I need to provide the facilities of this student for particular this semester. ಹಂಗೆ ಈ OS ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದಲ್ಲ. Here OS don't get confused. What is there? For purpose of OS, every process, for the purpose of understanding each process, OS understand ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ each processes are having process control block. How you are having identity cards, ಅದೇ ತರಾನೇ the processes are having a process control blocks. For what purpose? For the purpose of OS, to get work completed by the OS. We're having some processes are having some attributes, that is known as a process control block. Have you clear with the process control block? Have you clear idea about a process control block now? What about others? So let us learn process control block in detail. Process control block. This contains a block. It contains attribute of process. Process control block means various attribute of processes are present in a single block. That is known as a process control block. ಒಂದು ತನ್ನ attributes, process attributes ಏನಿರ್ತಾವು ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾಕೇಜ್, ಒಂದು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತದೆ. That is called as a process control block. Why it is known as process control block? Through that block, OS is going to control the process. Through that block, by reading that block, by understanding that block, the process is going to be controlled by the operating system. That is, the block is known as a process control block. That's why the process control block name given. Okay, what it contains, sir? What the process block contains? What do you mean by the process block control? First, one block will be there. That is a memory, nothing but a memory. Okay, it is now PCB of P1. PCB of P1. So that P1 PCB1. This is the process control block of P1. Various sectors are there. Various sectors are there. We learn one by one. We will learn one by one. Suppose OS want the state of process. The state in the sense, you already learned there are 5 states. One is new, another one is ready, running, waiting, and terminate. So when it comes to the process, ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದೆ, ಈಗ ನಾನು OS and the OS, I will see the process. I'll see the process. Can you understand which state it is? Can you understand which state it is? Or else, come to the example, general example ಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ, which unit I am teaching? Unit 2. Regularly ಬಂದಂತ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ, regularly attend ಆದಂತ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, I am in the topic of second unit. ಇವತ್ತೇ ಬಂದಂತ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಇವತ್ತು ಬಂದಂತ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರ್ತಾರ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಅದನ? No, I need to tell I am in this section, I am in this section, I am in this state, I am in the such a state that I am in the unit 2, I am in unit 3, I need to tell. So ಹಂಗೆ ಈಗ OS ಬಂತು ತನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸಿ ಈ P1 ಅನ್ನು ಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂತು. ಈ P1 ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಅದ? It may be in a waiting state, it may be in a terminating state, it may be in a ready state, it may be in a new state. So process control block should give the process state, that is it should hold a process state in which state the current process is there. So first one is nothing but process state. What this block holds, what the process state block holds, if it is in a new, it holds the new state. If it is in a ready, it holds the ready state. If it is in a terminating, it holds the terminate. If it is a executive, that is a running state, it holds the running state. To represent the state of the process, it is going to hold. This is what the first block. Are you clear with the first block of the process control block? Once again, I am going to tell, if OS comes here, it should know about the state of the process, whether it is running, whether it is ready, whether it is waiting, whether it is terminating, whether it is a new state. In the process state, you can hold any state. So explanation and I am going to process control block on a 5 marks. First one is process state. Right here, process state. According to my explanation, there may be any state. In this block, it may contain new, ready, run, wait, terminate. New, ready, run, wait, terminate. Any kind of a state it may contain. Have you clear? Have you got how to write process state? Process control block ಒಳಗಡೆ ಈ diagram ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. Diagram ಹಾಕಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ first statement, first point ಯಾವುದು ಬರಿಬೇಕು? Process state. What you need to write? In this block, it may contain either of new state, ready state, run state, wait state, terminate state of a process. For the purpose of understandability of OS. Okay. Next, what I need to do? So, what is the next block is there? Whenever your admission is going to done in the university, university is going to generate your RCU seat number. Am I right? It may be M1, M191 or M20, M120 like this. Similarly, when process is being created, along with the process, a particular process number is going to be created. And in admission ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಜನರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ RCU ಸೀಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅನ್ನ. ಹಂಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ OS ಯಾವಾಗ ತಂದು ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದರದೇ ಆದ process ನಂಬರ್ ಕುಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತದೆ, that is create ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. So what is the next? That is process number. Sir, is it very like ours? Andra nimma student ID hang repeat agangilla, hange P1 and P2 and P3 the process number repeat agangilla alla? Yes, it is a unique number generated by the OS at the load time. Idedakke beku identification salvagine beku. OS bantu ee P1 adu number ಏನದ? Yes, this is the number. This is in the state. Have you clear with this? How you are going to write the answer for process number? I will write here. Process number. When process is created, along with it, a unique number is also created. Simple it is. It will be stored on process control block. ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿರಬಹುದು process state ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ it will be stored on the process control block. Where the process number is going to be stored? In the process control block. Remember it is of P1. Each process is having its own process control block. Luxury. Each student is having his or her individual ID cards. Like that, process is going to be have a individual information in process control block, that is individual process control blocks. Clear with it? Clear with it? Next third block you in the munche will understand something here. A equal to 10, B equal to 20, C is equal to 30, Z is equal to A plus B plus C. This is a code anta artha ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. It is a code. I am a compiler or I am executing. I am a CPU. I am a CPU. I am going to execute. This is P1. This is P1. This is P1. So P1 is put into the CPU. I am going to execute. A is equal to 10. Yes, I stored it. B is equal to 20. I stored it. C is equal to 30. I stored it. But OS give me that I e line ಅನ್ನು execute ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನನಗೆ OS of the information ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತದೆ. See, stop the execution of P1. P2 is a very thing. That is, you need to execute first P2. So what? Where the P1 is going to be now? It will be in the waiting state. Who comes here? P2 comes here. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿರ್ತದ? ನಾ P1 ಅನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಗೆ ಬಂದ OS ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರ, ನೋಡಪ್ಪ P1 ಅದ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ P2 is very important than the P1. Yes, P1 ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿಬಿಟ್ಟು OS ಅನ್ನ ಒಯ್ದು ವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ವಿ. P2 ಬಂದ, P2 ಅನ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರನ್ನ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾ ಈಗ? P1 ಅನ್ನ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಲೈನ್ ಅದಾವ, ನಾನು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. 1000, 10,000, 10,000 lakh together codes ಇದ್ದಾಗ, lakh together instruction ಇದ್ದಾಗ, how you are going to remember which line I have left? ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ? ನಾ ಈಗೇನೋ ಒಂದು 100 ಮಂದಿ ಒಳಗ ನಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀನಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ನಾ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಂಟರಪ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನನಗೆ ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ರು ಸರ್ ಕರೀತಾರ, ನಾ ಎದ್ದು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಆ ಕೆಲಸನ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ, ಎದ್ದು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಪೇಪರ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೋರಿ. ಪೇಪರ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತೀನಿ, ಪೇಪರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅರ್ಧಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎದ್ದು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಎದ್ದೋಗಿ ಆ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂತಾಗ ನಾ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ಅದ್ ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕಾ? ನಾನು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾ? ನನ್ಗೆ ಯಾರು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಅವಾಗ? ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈ ಬ್ರೈನ್. ಹಂಗೆ ಸಿಪಿಒಗೆ ಆ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ನೀ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಿ ನನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ, ನನ್ನ ಲೈನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದೊಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತತಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಕೌಂಟರ್. ಈ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಕೌಂಟರ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರ, ಇಫ್ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಟರ್ಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಇಫ್ ಮಿಡಲ್ ವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗೈತಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೈತಿ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಗೈತಿ? ಇದು. ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದ, OS P1 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ನಡಿ ನಿನ್ನ ವಾಪಸ್ ನಾನು ರೆಡಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತದ. ಹೋದಾಗ ಆ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಕೌಂಟರ್ OS ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತದ, ಸಿ CPU is left with this line, it should continue from this line. Have you clear about a program counter, my dears? Have you clear about a program counter? We will meet in the next section.